from wherever you are watching me and from all over the world. It's Cherry Mark. Welcome to my channel once again. It's a beautiful Saturday evening and I'm so glad to have you today in my channel. I'm going to give you a Kikuyu lesson on how to call some of the few things that I have here in my surroundings. The first word we are going to learn today is how to call a road. A road is called farafara. Farafara. That's how we call a road. Farafara. The next word we are going to learn is how to call a car. As you can see from the road here, it's a very busy highway or a very busy road, and there are so many cars, so we call cars gari. Gari is cars. One car, gari. Many cars, gari. There's no difference in any singular or plural form. The next thing we are going to learn is how we call lights. Be it lights in the house, be it lights on the road, lights are called matawa. As you can even see from my background, there are some lights from this building. There are also traffic lights on the road there. Maybe you can see them, and yes, we call lights or traffic lights matawa. Now the next word we're going to learn is how to call a building. A building is called nyoba. Now nyoba has many meanings. It can refer to a home or a small building or even a big building. All of them are called nyoba. You can say, for example, if it is a story house or a story building, you can call that nyoba ya gorofa. Nyoba ya gorofa. Gorofa is story. Gorofa is story. Nyoba ya gorofa. Now, the other thing we are going to learn is how we call a restaurant. A restaurant, as you can see from my other side of the road, it's a bit far away. From that side, there is a restaurant. A restaurant is called mokawa. Mokawa. A restaurant is called mokawa. Now, we also have something else right here in my surroundings, and as you can see from that side where it's a bit dark, there is some grass there. Grass is called nyeki. Oh my goodness, what are these? Nyeki. Now, we also have right on the road, there are also people who use bicycles or traveling by bicycle, riding bicycles and all that. Oh, I'm sorry, there are some mice running up and down here. Now, bicycles are called moibikiri. Even down there, down beside or just where I am, there are some bicycles that are parked there. They are called moibikiri. Now, riding a bicycle is called gotwari via moibikiri. Driving a car is called gotwari via gari. Gotwari via is that act of driving or riding. As you can notice from riding a car or riding a bicycle, all of them are called gotwari via gari. We have already said gari is a car. Gotwari via maibikiri or moibikiri is cycling or riding a bicycle. Now, what do we call people who are walking or people who just walk on foot? Godhie na magoro. Godhie na magoro. Magoro are foot. Godhie is that act of moving or going or walking. Godhie na magoro. Or you can even say Godhie magoro. Let's say, for example, somebody wants to say, I want to walk on foot. Direda Godhie magoro. Direda Godhie magoro. Or direda Godhie na magoro. Direda Godhie na magoro. Which sounds a bit strange because if, okay, maybe Godhie na magoro could be you are walking with your feet, but normally in English, the correct English we say you walk on foot or by foot. So Godhie na magoro. Now that is I think that's all I have. Wait. We have some trees here. We have trees in this surrounding, and we call trees mete. We call trees mete. Now we even have okay, we have buses that are also driving in this busy road or being driven in this busy road. Buses are called badi. Buses are called badi. Now, yeah, I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else I want to teach you, or there's anything else I can teach you from this surrounding. I think, yes, that's it. And with that, or with those few words, I'm going to end this video right here. I wish you all a good night and a beautiful evening from wherever you are. Thanks for watching me, and goodbye.